SEGG stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. As I'm looking at lottery.com stock, 122 is where we're sitting at, and let's zoom out. Let's zoom out for a second to see where we are. Honestly, that's a bullish range straight up. Like, broke structure here with the wicks, which is not the full candle closed, it's with the wicks, but I do not care. And I do not care because if my confirmation is not met, I'm not gonna buy. And if it's met, then I know it's going 60 miles per hour, and I would just love to jump in on this bandwagon. So only if there's a double break confirmation here, I'm buying. And again, this is the 4-hour chart, more so for like a swing. But once the double break is met here, bro, you cannot stop me from just doubling down the alongside intraday trades wise, right? Every single day, but if it makes sense and if the rules are met, that is. So I'll keep you updated, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.